pink and blue for sweet. They're high prancers. Prancing. Oh, prancing, Buster Bailey. Oh, that is too cute, but they're not like trying to take them off.
They let me put them right on. And then I might have got the big. Bailey probably needs a medium. You probably need her size.
His one is coming off. Over funny. Oh yeah.
But I think they would work for
Oh, just to go up the stairs. Yeah, definitely. Just to go up the stairs. That's all you need it for. Look at your pretty feet. Look at your pretty feet. Yeah, I see your pretty feet too. Ooh. Cute.